NVTS stock analysis for today and onwards. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video, so make sure to find out. I've been the only guy in the that's been documenting my journey for 5 years straight on this channel, showing you what's working. Nobody has more videos like this than me in this space, and actual proof. Especially with NVTS, it came down quite hard. You know, that's why I had 2 ideas on this one here. So this bullish idea that I got, complete break even, and that's why, you know, whilst it opened up here very lower, I was like, now I'm still waiting for a double break. It's still fine, you know, as long as we're sitting technically above 592, it's fine to still be open-minded for longs, because what's the alternative here, right? Just do nothing, right? No. Well, I have a lot of receipts with NVTS in the Discord as well. I'm talking 45 results, and unless I see a proper shift above here with a double break, and there's just no way that I will look to buy NVTS. The same way was like here when I actually bought, and at the time it was $5, right? And it was 2 months ago, and since then we've done a lot of stuff, and I'm not in any sort of rush. This was a swing. Once I have a double break confirmation, if I do, then intraday trades can also be biased towards this long side, and we can freaking print there as well. So if you want to make more money consistently, to stay tuned with this ticker and get daily stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free.